yesterday's video on putting that 10-hole chicken nesting box together. Here, bring out, show you the baby chicks this morning. They're growing. I turned the light off to give you a little better look at their colors. Went and bought them a new feeder. Maybe they won't kick so much food out. So, got their water changed and they're fed. There's the wife's favorite one right there, that little brown and white one. They're all doing good and growing. We'll go check on the other chickens now. Alright. They're out here. They're still in the coop this morning. It's a little chilly out here this morning. The wind's blowing. You can probably hear it. Alright, you want the bucket? I wanted to get in my bucket again. But yeah, it's a little cool this morning, huh, Hercules? Lily and Lulu. Huh? Alright. There's one in here. I think she's lost. Where are you going? Huh? You gonna lay an egg? Huh? She must be gonna get in and lay an egg. Check to see if there's any eggs yet. Nope. Alrighty. I gotta get a deal so I can go inside and shut that door. So anyway, the plans are getting that nesting box in there today, in a little while after give them time to lay their eggs. So don't want to interrupt that cycle. So I'll get back with you here in a little bit. Hey everybody. Back here with you. Figured I'd show you this. I ordered it for the wife. Put up on the roof. Nice looking little rooster weather vane. So I figured I'd throw that in there and show you. Alright. Alright, back here with you. We got 2 eggs today. They're in my purty blue basket. I got the chicks covered up because one of them tries to fly out. I gotta fix the top for that. But anyway, As far as doing anything outside today, I don't think it's going to happen because the wind's blowing about 50-60 mile an hour winds, and it's only about 32 degrees, so it's pretty cold out there. And I was going to put that nesting box in, but I opened the door out there to try to put the nesting box in. The wind just comes in and swirls around, and they're in the coop and kind of blows them pine shavings all over. So anyway, it's going to be a real short video today. So just remember, smile today, smile tomorrow, and you'll smile all week, guaranteed. You have a nice day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see how things go tomorrow. Thanks for watching.